She thought her dreaming days were gone. Seasons passed, life carried on. Quiet mornings, steady years, softly holding joy and tears. Then a spark lit up her skies, warm surprise and gentle light. Something blooming fresh and bright, calling her back into the light. A new heart awakens, tender and true. Love arrives softly, painting life anew. No time can limit what the soul can feel. Hope opens slowly, showing what is real. Whispers rising from within, opening the door again. Passion finding space to grow in a place she used to know. Life can shift in quiet ways, bringing unexpected days. Second chances start to rise, filling her with sweet surprise.